Talk.
Why did we catch a baby one, Papa?
It's not a baby one. That one's a sparrow. How many have you caught today?
One.
Look at me.
My hair.
How many have you caught?
This is
Two.
This is the 4-year-old bird catcher and her redneck ingenuity.
One.
Let's look at her catch.
He's a baby.
Whoa.
Goodness, look at him, Keena.
Yeah, he's a cute little baby.
You're doing it, honey.
Yeah, Papa. That was right in my face.
Yeah, that's a sparrow.
That's so neat.
How many? What have you caught today?
A robin and a sparrow.
Good. Okay, well, we'll turn this one loose and see what else we can catch.
Well, let's see if I can touch it.
No.
I don't want to touch it.
You, a little bit of redneck in you, huh?
What lock it?
Keena?
What lock it on me?
Hey, little girl.
A little bit of redneck or a lot of redneck? Keena?
Well,
A little bit of redneck or a lot?
a little bit.
Okay, well, tell everybody we'll see them later and we'll catch more birds.
Okay, I will let it go when it gets up here. I'm just
Tell
Okay.
everybody you'll see him later.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye, baby bird.
Come here, let me